Hey guys, let's get started with web design. Okay, web design is one of the most important modules on the core topics in digital marketing. So the first thing is a website is just let me just the website is like an online property. A website is where your visitors or your traffic interact with your company's product and services online. So now getting more footfalls or walk-ins for a store is equivalent to getting more visitors to an online website. So that is the first thing about the introduction. So coming to types of websites, we can classify it into 100 different things, guys. So let me just minimize all the stuff. The first type of website is called personal website. Now, guys, the types of website, the first type of is called personal website. Now, I'm going to use incognito. To use incognito, it's been a habit for me. I go to the right top corner, press Control Shift N, or so I usually use here. Say, for example, you create a website around yourself or a particular person. Example is frankkern.com, and he builds a website around himself. His type of website is called as personal website or danlock.com. Now, whenever a person builds about himself, okay, the type of website is called personal website. So if I build a website on myself like kishorkumar.com, something like that. So the type of website is called personal website. The second, let me just close this. The second type of website is called a business or corporate website. Example is you can take Digital Monk only. So what we have done is we have listed our products and services. We don't sell products, of course, we have listed our services. So you can see here. So if you see here, we have listed our courses. The type of website is called business website. Now, any website that is selling products comes under this category. Next type of website is called educational website. Whenever you're looking for some particular information, any news website comes under informational website. Best example is Wikipedia. Okay, Wikipedia is a very good example for informational website. The next type of website is called e-commerce website. E-commerce is a marketplace where buyers and sellers meet. It's called e-commerce. Best example is Amazon, Flipkart, Alibaba, etc. The type of website is called e-commerce website. The next one is social media websites. Example, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, etc. Instagram is an app, but they have a web application. So still it's a social network. So the type of website is called social media website. Now this completes types of websites. Again, guys, you can classify it into 100 different things, but I just want to keep the classification simple. Okay, so what are the things required to build a website? You need only two things to build a website. You need, first one, you need a domain. A domain is nothing but your address on the internet, your unique identity on the internet. Example is flipkart.com, amazon.com. That's an example of a domain. And hosting is a storage space where you store all your website files. That's what is called hosting.